In this video, I'll demonstrate the backup and restore feature in TalkBoard and PicBoard. This feature allows you to create an archive of your boards and copy this archive to your PC or Mac. You can use this archive as a backup so you can restore to the same device, for example if you lose your data, to another device to share your boards, or even to a different user on the same device to share them with a different user. So we're going to create a backup of this board by going back to the help page, then going into settings, choosing backup, and then choosing the user John, and we'll back up both of his boards. When this is complete, you'll see a confirmation which will ask if you want to see information on iTunes file sharing. I'll say no to this now because I'll demonstrate this in the rest of this video. You can now connect your iPad, iPhone or iPod Touch to your computer and open iTunes. Select your device from the list on the left side in iTunes, change to the Apps tab, then scroll down to File Sharing, and then find TalkBoard or PicBoard in the list of apps. I'm just going to copy the basic needs board that I created onto my Mac. I'm just going to save it to my desktop for now. And just to show that that has copied across, there's my desktop folder with the file. So, at a later date, I'm going to copy this over to a different device, which is now connected to my Mac. So I select it in iTunes, change to the Apps tab again, scroll down to File Sharing. I'm going to choose TalkBoard from the list of apps, and this time I'm going to choose Add. And there's the file that I copied across on my desktop, and that's now available on the device. So, in TalkBoard on this device, to restore the board to the Marvin user, who currently has no boards, I just go back into settings, I choose restore, and I can see that the user John has the basic needs board ready to be selected to be restored to any user on this iPad. So I'll choose Marvin, and that's now restored. So I can close the settings. When I go back to my boards list, I can see the board has been copied over. So I'll select it, and it appears exactly as it did on the original iPad before I made the backup.